morning and welcome back. Now, as promised, our good friend from the financial sector, Kurtis Pearson, joins us now.
Kurt, I want to thank you for coming in. And since March 9th, the market is up about 25%. The question is, what should the average investor be doing with that information right now?
Well, it's very important as individual investors get their investment statements, whether it's a 401k or a typical investment account, that they really monitor each nook and cranny of their investment portfolio to make sure that each piece is keeping pace, or if it's not keeping pace, why, what's happening. The way that I like to put it is, hey, if you're going to endure the pain on the downside, make sure that you're getting rewarded for that risk. When the market does begin to rally, make sure you're participating in the rally. So monitoring is very important right now.
Okay. We've heard that market psychology is starting to shift, but what exactly does that mean? What can we see in terms of signs of this, and what will it mean for us?
Yeah, very, very good observation. Fear it was very powerful back in October and November. We've seen that fear begin to wane quite a bit in the marketplace. You can begin to see it by consumer confidence that's starting to take an uptick. Retail stores are reporting increased activity. I think just with the changing of the weather here in Iowa especially, you know, springtime, a little bit of hope, confidence in things. Home sales are starting to pick up a bit. Mortgages are being taken out. Banks are reporting that. So there's a lot of positive, what economists are saying, green shoots in the economy, and that's really taking away a lot of the fear, which is good.
The unemployment rate is at a multi-year high. So what does that mean for people in a job transition? How should they handle those situations?
A lot of folks out there right now in job transitions. Obviously, the counseling that's typically given, you know, reevaluate your skills, all those sorts of things. It's very important, though, on the financial side that they continue to evaluate what's available for them on the insurance side, especially health insurance, to make the proper decisions with investments during this time. If they do need to tap into some of their long-term savings, how is the best way to make that happen, to make sure that their cash flow needs are cared for. So typically emotions run really high when unemployment is at the peak, and making financial decisions out of emotion is always kind of dangerous.
Okay, yeah, so great advice. If people would like to seek out your advice for financial matters, how can they get a hold of you?
Our local number is 327-1020.
All right, thank you, Kurt.
Okay.